Hello, I'm Helga Schreckenberger and I'm the chair of the Department of German and Russian. I'm so glad to have the opportunity to congratulate all graduating majors and minors of the Department of German and Russian. This is not the graduation ceremony that we had in mind for you, but none of it diminishes your great accomplishments. You have worked hard for 4 years and your efforts have paid off. Today you are the graduating class of 2020. All of us in the department are proud of you, your achievements, your perseverance, and your resilience. We are grateful what you have contributed to our department in the last 4 years, and we can't wait to hear from you and about the great things that you are going to accomplish. Congratulations again to you, your parents, and your families who have been cheering you on for those past 4 years. Good luck, viel Glück, and Udachi.